Yesterday, approximately 50 Jamaicans arrived in the island on a deportation flight from the United States. The flight, which landed at Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, was part of the regular monthly deportation arrangement between Jamaica and the US. This agreement has been in place under the Biden administration, ensuring that deportees are sent back to the island on the last Thursday of every month. Despite this being a routine occurrence, some media outlets have chosen to highlight this particular deportation, conveniently drawing public attention to it at a time when US President Donald Trump has been ramping up immigration crackdowns. The timing of this coverage appears to be a deliberate attempt to mislead the public into believing that these deportations are part of Trump's renewed immigration policies, when in fact they have nothing to do with him. For years, Jamaicans deported from the US have returned on a structured schedule, and the media has largely ignored these flights. However, with Trump back in the political spotlight, and deportations becoming a hot-button issue, news outlets have suddenly chosen to emphasize this particular instance, an apparent effort to create public panic or political confusion. Another concern that should be addressed is the treatment of deportees once they arrive in Jamaica. Too often, cameras and media attention are placed on these individuals, exposing them to public scrutiny and potential discrimination. Many Jamaicans are not kind to deportees, often stigmatizing them upon their return. This can make reintegration into society even more difficult. Rather than using deportees as political pawns or news spectacles, the focus should be on ensuring they have the necessary support to rebuild their lives in Jamaica. While Trump's policies may soon lead to increased deportations, it is important to separate fact from media sensationalism. This latest deportation flight was simply part of an ongoing arrangement, not a sudden consequence of Trump's recent immigration stance. The public deserves accurate reporting, not narratives designed to manipulate opinions.